Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of US oil for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, finally we got the breakout we have been waiting for. US oil gave a big breakout, made a high of 80.80 and market failed to sustain and ultimately settle or close at 79.75 or around this area. If you look at the market sentiment, you can see crude prices supported by geopolitical risk and tighter supply. A weaker dollar on Friday was supportive of energy prices. Yes, after the news on Friday, there was a big drop on DXY or US dollar index as well. Crude also has support on expectations that OPEC plus next week would extend its roughly 2 million BPD barrels per day of crude production cuts beyond March. In addition, the ongoing attacks by Houthi rebels on commercial shipping in the Red Sea have disrupted Middle Eastern crude supplies and strengthened the US. So these are the reasons, or these were the reasons because of which we saw a big move on US oil, and hopefully you guys made money too. If you look at a chart of US dollar index, then I have already discussed many times in my videos of gold, euro, USD that the dollar index is still inside the range. If it really wants to continue the upside, it will have to cross 104.20 and move higher. But for any move, whether it's an uptrend, downtrend, trend reversal, we need the backing of the fundamental factors, and right now DXY or US dollar index doesn't have that. So in the coming days, there is a good possibility that instead of going up, we may see the dollar index going down and DXY may head towards 103 level. And if we consider the geopolitical tension, then still there is no solution to it. If the situation escalates, then obviously we will see the effect on the market as well. So in case any news comes out, always try to follow the trend of the market, because I always say, but still many people don't listen to me. But whenever fundamentals dominate, technicals fail. If you see the market is going up, instead of looking for reversals, instead of becoming a hero of reversal, try to follow the trend of the market. You will always be in profit in the long run because you are following the dominant force. Okay, let's not talk about it. Okay, this is the chart of US oil in front of us, and in this market condition, buy at support or buy at dip is the best trading strategy for us. And where is the best level to go for a buy? In this on the chart of US oil, you can see I have marked 3 lines. So technically, 77.77 is the best level where we can look for a buy position. If you are wondering why, then let me show you. Here we are using FIBO the most basic way, and while considering FIBO in this manner or drawing FIBO in this manner, we can see that we have FIBO 23.6% retracement level around 77.77, and we will also be having the 100 moving average around the area. So if there is a sudden or big drop on the market and market takes support, we can look for a buy. But the problem with the level of 77.77 is that it's far away from the current market price. Okay, that is the problem. So considering FIBO from this particular point can be useless for us, because we can clearly see the market is not coming down to that level that easily. So as a day trader, if we switch to the hourly time frame, our beloved 1 hour time frame, and we draw FIBO from this particular portion from 75.8 level, we can see that market closed at FIBO 23.6% retracement level, or we can say the market almost closed the support. So right after the market opening, there is a possibility that the market may go up from here. If that happens, and if risk is your middle name, you can look for a buy position. But right after the market opening, if we see the market is going down, market is weak, in that case, you can look for a buy around 78.90. Why 78.90? Because see, market closing at FIBO 23.6 gave us the confirmation that market is respecting the FIBO level here. And moreover, around 78.90, you can see we have the previous resistance working as support, previous resistance working as support. Along with that, we will also be having the 50 moving average around the area. If there is not a heavy fall in the market, after all, you need to understand the volume. If you see the market is taking support around 78.90, market is showing price rejection from below, you will get a confirmation that buyers are present and you can hit the buy button. Use your common sense as well. Okay. So 77, the 77.77 is the good level, but far away. So above 77.77, we have 78.90 as well. But sometimes market is so bullish that market doesn't come for retracement at all. Okay, market doesn't come for retracement at all. Okay, in that case, you can look for immediate support around 79.20 as well. You can see around 79.20 also we have the previous resistance working as support. We have the FIBO 50% retracement level. So 79.20 is also a good level. But if we try to understand the levels, then 79.20 is a weaker level. This type of level only works when the buying pressure is extremely high. Okay, but if you see the right after market opening, the selling pressure is good, the selling pressure is like this, then 79.2 may not work. In that case, you need to wait for 78.9 or 77.77. So market opening is going to be very, very important, because we will get the idea what is the volume of the market or the volatility of the market, and accordingly we can take the decision. So on the chart of US all right now, these are the three levels, okay, that I think where we can go for a buy position if market comes for support. If you have any ongoing position, you can be on the trade. I'm not discussing about buy at breakout, because 80.85 is far away from the current market price, and chances of market breaking 80.85 right after the market opening is quite less. So let's wait and watch how the market opens. Overall, the market was quite flat at first, okay, but the weekly closing was crazy. Anyways, this is market. Market is full of surprises. And that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a lovely weekend. Have some awesome time, quality time with your friends and family. And hopefully, you guys are enjoying my US oil videos. Okay, if I need to make some improvement, please write down in the comment section, because I am trading on oil for almost 3 years, and most of the time I traded on my domestic MCX index. Okay, anyways, that's all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.